Yeah, look at this Maruya and mango ice cream. Ooh, it's not just any Maruya and ice cream. It's maize, Maruya and mango ice cream. So come on guys, let's cook! It's always good to have your ingredients ready and measured. Right, so the first thing we want to do is peel the bananas. Plantain, I should say plantain. So cut the top and the bottom of your plantain. Do that to both of your bananas or plantain. So you need to slice a little bit of the skin so you can easily peel the skin off the bananas. So to make a fan shape, slice the banana from top to bottom 4 times without going all the way through. This is how I've always seen Maruya being shaped, so I'm going to keep it that way. So do this until you've done all 4 of your plantain slices. You could also individually cut those, so if you want to have smaller pieces, you can cut all the way through and have 4 slices instead. So that's done. We need to mix our batter together. Get a bowl. Add your flour. Then the sugar. Basically all the dry ingredients. And your baking powder. Then mix it all up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that should do. That should be enough. That's it. Go, go, go. Next. Next thing you need to add is the wet ingredients. First thing is egg. Crack an egg. Then add some milk. Where's the milk? There you go. There's the milk. Then, guess what? Mix it all up again. That's it. Keep mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Go baby, mix. Mix it until you get a smooth batter. Is it batter or batter? They sound the same to me. So now heat some oil into a frying pan. You want to add a good amount of oil there, so you're kind of deep frying it. I don't really like to use too much oil because it's a waste otherwise. Okay. Now dip your banana or plantain into the batter and then straight into the frying pan. Make sure it's hot. That's it. There you go. Fry, baby, fry. Make sure the heat isn't too high, so make sure you put it from low to medium and fry it until golden. So someone sent me this joke. In English, deposit. So in a Filipino accent now, call the plumber. Deposit is leaking. You get it? Deposit? Deposit. I made myself laugh. Okay, back to cooking. Now take your cooked Maruya into a plate and generously drizzle it with more sugar. That's the classic way to do it. Now you can mix it all up and elevate. You can also top it up with some ice cream, which is delicious by the way. You can also top it up with some powdered chocolate and some cinnamon, which is je ne sais quoi. Ewan ko, basta masarap. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me some feedback. I really want to hear from you. Maraming salamat. Paalam.